much water is left for the year?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing good.
It's literally at the part where we have to start cleaning. Yeah, the funnel, like it's. Let me just show you. Today is tank cleaning day, preparing for some rain, inshallah. But first, there's so much work that needs to be done. This is the inside of our tank. I don't think you can see. Oh yeah, you can see. That's all the water's left, and then I gotta clean up all that silt. So yeah, jumping in. Not actually jumping in, I'm just gonna use the ladder I was just on. Not a bad view up here. Sometimes I think my life is really funny because I wake up and these are my morning chores. So I'm gonna head over to that one and see how much water's left. Once we're done topping them up, I gotta jump in, clean it up, and then all we do after that is make prayer for some rainfall. Typically we get rain in the end of March, inshallah. Last year was not the case, but you know, we're still hopeful. We still make prayers for more rain because water is life. And alhamdulillah, we have this system set up that allows us to survive living in the drought for 9 months out of the 12 months of the year. So we're happy with our system. It's just a lot of maintenance and work. So here we go. All right, Mom, how do I get the ladder inside? Okay, then the neighbors are here, so I have to pause for a little bit and resume my job later. This one you're topping up? This one top up ako sa ala. Oh, this one has a lot actually. Wow, you taya. Away. Saka wadwaday hadda man ko iman ya. Let me show you what's going on inside this tank. Super dirty, but that is the reason we are doing this job. This tank doesn't have algae inside like the green that you saw in that one. So actually a huge tip for anyone out there purchasing these giant tanks that are very expensive, ask them to put a layer of black paint inside because that helps from sun protection and algae growth inside. That's your tip for today. For now, I'm just working up the courage to get inside. I think I need another cup of tea. Kushi. What boy is your best friend? No, we don't need water. Those are like the only source of water for the city of Hargeisa is in water truck tanks, or alternatively our water gutter system that Mom did here for rainwater harvest. Oh, let me show you the water that actually comes out of the tank, because I mean the algae is off-putting, but it doesn't come out in the water, obviously. But I'll just show you guys for credibility's sake to show you that our water is clean and it comes from the rain and that it's free. Change of plans. I'm a little too chicken to go inside because this one's black. So we're just gonna flip it over. No, you took my ladder. How am I supposed to get down? Yes. How do we do this? It has water. You push, I pull? I think so. 1, 2. I told you I have to go in. We're gonna go in if we cannot put it down. We used to, okay, we both push over there. And then we wedge it over. Change of plans. Okay, this is how this is gonna work. Push. Over there on one side. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are you pushing? Yes, I am. Okay, well, ina sort dora. Mahal kan makaside na. Amma iman. Birbad gilise. Look at my mom using science. All right.
Okay, برتان كرو قاضي نقل ده حوستي.
Okay.
تغير بكرة قاضي. تغير بكرة قاضي. تغير. خدنا نقصي ريحنا.
Back to the original plan. You're going in, Sam. Let's do this. The service that does this job, so. You know.
You deserve to say to them.
Wow, I got a get out a free card. You know, when people say you should get the service to do this for you, it's just like Asha Gate last week. The lady walking down the street who said, "My washing machine broke," and the other one said, "Got my hand on how could I?" What's wrong with your hands, man? Okay. Selanka Glini. $1,000 equipment wat ilaashanaysa waa soo ma? I think they're uneven. Let my anxiety talk, okay? Go. Welcome to my office, guys. This is today's job. Marianne Horta, I will be getting rid of some of these clothes real soon. Let me just get in here. Bye, Mom. See you. وصحته يا لبيب انت يكون مستحيين وياه
Marka ma fiiq waan ku sabiyo.
wixii oran soo diyaari ma fiiq masaxaad I hate that part. Okay. See how clean the water is? I'm trying to show you guys. This is just the silt sitting at the bottom, and it's not even that much. Okay. This is what the real job looks like. Maxay ku yiraahdo?
Ma shaqaynaade.
Hadda riwarka.
Waa shaqo dumar baa.
Yeah. This is it. This is what the main job was. Just getting, like, if that's the only dirt that came after 9 months of collecting rain, I think that's a great job. Look how clean that is.
And if you please settle at the bottom.
Yeah, debris will always settle at the bottom. I used to be like, ew, dirty water. And then I learned, like, basic science. It won't be dirty much longer. Look at the final wipe down. This is it for the debris. Squeaky clean office. Well done with some water to spare. All right, here you go, Mom. This is the last. That's how we've been doing this job together. All right. We have to get down first? All right, go ahead. 1 foot at a time. Okay.
سامي لكن أتسأل كان فري باكاي. ما كان ماشي كنت تحل على نوقي وحبا وثق وحبا.
نظيف سميه.
I know. والله.
yar nidaamsan baan bartay.
ها والله سنة أصلا برا
Wada dhooba ama soo bax.
dhooba
Wada dhiidhi, I should say. I have a whole crew watching me over there, my friends. Hey, that's it. Shaqo aan garanayo ahaayo.
شقات قرنيسي
Ha. Sanadkii saddexaad weeyaan aan ku dhacay meeshan.
مساسة أحسن سنة يوم تصور
تخلص waa ku haystaa تخلص maxay yiraahdaan experience
Okay, job done. See, the two tanks are different. This one's UAE. Now this tank, we're gonna come back for you another day. Job is done. I'm actually still cleaning off to put my clothes on. Finished. Shit. Hey, we just waiting for water now?
waiting for rain insha Allah roobkun baan sugaynaa hadii alla yiraahdo
Inshallah.
weelkayga waan nadiifsanay
I don't know why I decided to torture you guys with my daily chores, but if you got any benefit from that vlog, leave a like, share it with someone. This is the way we're living sustainably out here in the motherland. See you guys.